Okay. Because otherwise there would be different pull requests. Yeah. Well, there are like 3 pull requests already.
Okay. Are you
And there needs to be a 4th.
are you about ready?
So that's why we'll do it physically in the meeting.
Okay, we're just setting up here, so it'll be a moment.
Only my screen wants to work with me.
Okay, so Bob's going to basically present the UI side of this.
Very slight small UI.
Yeah, so basically we're just doing a round trip, and we're showing basically that you can upload the logo, and then we'll see it in an email or so from Rosanna's side, so then you can see it in a full trip basically.
Use simple UI, upload logo.
Yeah.
Nothing that special. Let's load my skateboard. Upload complete. So if Rosanna will send an email right now.
Change the password?
I'll change the password.
Okay, it should be there now.
The size is a bit off, but that's the backend, I guess, or
Yeah, that's a upload endpoint.
yeah.
Yeah.
That
Yes.
works.
So we got into this. We got into a discussion about how to store the URL, because basically right now it's the maximum size of a logo is set to 512 by 512. The proportional scaling is off a bit, so that's a bug that Nicholas will open a ticket for. So it should the 512 should be the maximum height or the maximum width of a logo. So if it's rectangular, it should maintain its aspect. Further, what were some of the other points? Oh, with the URL itself. So
we need
then
the absolute URL. There's a bug with scaling, and we want to create medium and thumbnail versions as well, so that when we need a small version, there's no styling involved.
yeah, so for the front end, this is maybe good to know. Basically, we would have what would the setting be? It would be like logo. It would be a dictionary.
Yeah, logo.
Dictionary, and then there we would have thumbnail, medium, and then the full size, so that you could pick
Original, I wouldn't call it original, but
original.
you can say full size if you want, but we actually have a restriction for the logo that we never go beyond 512.
Yeah, so maybe full size is okay. Full size, medium, and thumb.
Okay.
Yeah, and then basically then you can pick as a front end developer like which, depending on the case. So if you want to show it in an email, then you may only need the medium or the small, or if you want to show it as a basically like an icon on one of the particular screens, like let's say the POS, for example. Like now we have the S, and if they wanted to show their logo there, then it would just take the smallest thumbnail version, something like that. So then it's a little bit easier. Just you don't have to, as a front end developer, you don't have to try to scale it, which sometimes can be tricky depending on, like an email, it's difficult to scale. So then a thumbnail would be better. Their PDF, a thumbnail would probably be better as well sometimes, depending on the layout. If it's like a receipt, you may want the full size, but if it's like a a grid report, like an Excel type report. You may only want the little tiny icon thumbnail on the top. So then we give some additional settings there. But then it would be like a nested setting, which I think we support already for, I noticed for the loyalty points, it's a,
We kind of have them, but we don't use them, so I have no idea how it will behave.
yeah.
overall.
Yeah, so we just have to see how that works, but that's what we would do right now. But it would be the absolute path. So the whole URL, not just the file name, but also the host name and everything. And then you just, as a front end developer, you can just grab that and just display it directly without having to piece together the URL and so on. So that's it.
Yeah, basically. Also upload software logo.
So good work. We actually finished one of these little things, these exercises. So, and then I heard a lot of discussions about offline POS and stuff like that, but I won't go into that right now. Thanks. Oh, and Danilo helped out too, right?
Yes.
He was, yeah.
Yeah,
so,
we work together with Daniel.
yeah. So
Daniel and Danilo.
thanks, Danilo. Okay.